Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus and Mary Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the solution of chapter 1C. Now, before solution of chapter 1C, we would like to know about some points in this session of video that help us to solve the questions of exercise 1C. Now, first one is cardinal and ordinal number. What is cardinal number? A cardinal number is the total number of objects or people in a group. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. All these are cardinal number that represents the total number of objects or people in a group. Now, ordinal number. An ordinal number tells the position of an atom or person in a group. For example, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 16th, 17th. All these are ordinal number that represents the position of an atom or a person in a group. Now, the next point to be discussed about even and odd number. What is even number? A number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. Or we can also recognize a even number. We can also recognize an even number just seeing if it ends with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 22, 26, 28, 34, 38, so on are examples of even number. Now, what is odd number? A number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. Or we can also say numbers which end with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are odd numbers. For example, 15, 17, 19, 21, 35, 47, 57, 63, all these numbers are examples of odd number. Now we are going to discuss about rounding off to the nearest 10. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Now, suppose there is a number and you are said to find a nearest 10 of 24. So what is the number which is near or which is round of 24? As we know that this is 1 place digit and this one 10 place digit. If one place, in order to find, to round off to nearest 10, we just see the digit which is at one place. If one place digit is smaller than 5 or not equal to 5, then we do not increase the 10 place digit by 1. We just write this number 2 and put 0 in place of one digit. So the nearest number of 24 is 20. Suppose the number is 35 and you are said to find nearest 10 of 35. So as we know that 35 comes between 30 and 40. As I have told you, to find nearest 10 to a number, you just see one place digit. If one place digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then you increase 1 or you add up 1 to 10 place digit. So this one 3 plus 1, it becomes 4, and put 0 at the place of 1 place digit. So the nearest or nearest 10 to number 35 is 40. Now see, rounding up to nearest 100. In order to find to the nearest 100 of a number, we just look at 10 place digit. Suppose here is a number 254 and the 10 place digit is equal to, or if the 10 place digit is equal to 5 or more than 5, then the 100 plus digit increase by 1, or you can add 1 with the number or with the digit which is at 100 place. So 2 plus 1 3, and you put 0 at 100 plus digit, sorry, at 10 plus digit and 1 plus digit. So the nearest number of 254 is 300. In the same way, suppose there is a digit 234. As we know that 10 plus digit is less than 5, so we will not add 1 to the 100 plus digit. It remains 0. Okay, and we add 2 plus 0 2, and we put 0 0 in the place of 10 and 1's place digit. So nearest 100 of 234 is 200. Now see that. Now we are going to solve exercise 1C. Look at the steps and picture. Write the original number of the object placed on step. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. So car, ordinal number. What is the ordinal number? Ordinal number of car. We have to just tell ordinal number of the car. So this one at first step, first place. So first position. Flower, second position. Ball, third position. In the same way, third position. In the same way, you also solve these two questions by seeing the picture. Now see second question. From the following numbers, separate the even and odd number. In order to find even or odd number, we just see the 1 place digit. If 1 place digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then this number will be even. While if there is 3, 1, 5, 7, 9, then this type of numbers will be odd number. So this one odd number, even number, odd number. This one odd number, this one odd number. In this way you can solve. You can just recognize which is odd number or even number. Now question number 3, how many even numbers are there between 17 and 28? So the even number that comes between 17 and 28 are 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 even number that come between 17 and 28. Now see the question number 5th. Circle the even number only. 305 not even number, 100 is even number, so you circle it. This is even number, you circle it. This one even number, circle it. This one even number, this one also even number, this one even number. So you should circle all even number. Now question number 6, how many odd numbers are there between 2 and 35? So there are so many odd number between 2 and 35. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. All this 29, 31, 33, all these numbers are odd number that comes between 2 and 35. Round off the following numbers as mentioned below. Question number 8. 585 nearest 10. So as we know that 1 plus digit is equal to 5. So the nearest 10 of this number is 590. In the same way we can also write nearest 10 of this number. As we know that 1 plus digit is less than 5. So the nearest 10 of this number is 320. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You will do exercise in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.